slit their kids' throats. All right, NFL, I'm tough, I'm a man. You know, I mean, it's just like, that's all that matters. American flag, NFL. You could, if Satan came out wearing a cloak of the American flag, they would throw Jesus overboard off a ship.
I've never seen it do that before. I've been watching for about a year, and I've never seen it do that.
They would say, yes, as long as there's American flags. As long as the flames look like American flags burning me. Like Marilyn Monroe when she's standing out there on top of that grate with that wind blowing up. You know, as long as it's like American flag flames shooting up, they're ready. I mean, you could burn the Bill of Rights, Constitution in a pit, and they'd bow down to it as long as the American flag said so. You see, they don't know what patriotism, liberty, and freedom is. They just get off on feeling like they're part of the power structure. They watch drones fly over, and they think those are my drones. You know, they sit around and watch shock and awe as buildings blow up full of families in them, and they feel manly. I've actually seen it with family and people. They're just like, oh, look at that killer. You know, watch the Military Channel 10 years after stuff happens. You just watch
CME?
it. Oh, get them. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And then massive action.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what? The New World Order's getting you, too.
Amazing.
I mean, Jay Rockefeller, whenever they passed the NDAA, he was just like fist up in the air. Yeah! Score against freedom! Because the globalists, even though you serve them happily, they've never forgotten your ancestors fought them. And the globalists are all about ancestors and bloodlines. So they're going to rout America out and kill that birthright. Doesn't matter how much of a servant of evil you are, you're to be destroyed because your ancestors opposed them. It doesn't matter. You're going to be there like a little dog looking up at the barrel of the gun, just going, please, master, shoot me. It's kind of like that clip in Time Bandits whenever the devil's sitting there frying and blowing up his own minions. He's like, I'm going to destroy you. Like, oh, thank you, master. Thank you. They love it. They try to pull up Time Bandits, the devil from Time Bandits.